Greetings from Max Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I am the career counselor of Max Today, I am going to explain few things on ServiceNow training job support for corporate and individual. Max is one of the best online ServiceNow job support company. Whether implementation, new products, or upgrading your current environment, Max can provide remote ServiceNow job support for the functional and technical aspects of your project. We ensure your project success at a lower cost than having an on-site consultant and without the skill gap, time zone, and communication issues experienced when offshoring project role. More efficient and cost-effective service from dedicated ServiceNow freelancers who know your business and your systems. Hire ServiceNow Freelancer for implementation consulting and outsourcing of ServiceNow project. Hire ServiceNow Freelancer and get ServiceNow Freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire ServiceNow Freelancer for implementation and outsourcing projects and they will deliver project on time, within budget, with a high level of quality, and meeting the customer's current and future challenges. Outsource ServiceNow work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system implementation solution, resources, and training. Moving on to the next, we have agenda. We will be covering below aspects in this session. Introduction, flexible packages, features and benefit, consulting range, and why Max Munis. ServiceNow Freelancer for ServiceNow support. If you're working on ServiceNow product and facing any problem while working on it and you want to outsource ServiceNow project, then Max Munis is just a call email away to provide you ServiceNow help. We provide ServiceNow online job support for professionals to help them perform their tasks on ServiceNow product. We have a wide range of ServiceNow subject matter expert, highly experienced professional trainer having at least 12 to 15 years of relevant experience in this field. They are certified and have done 10 to 15 implementation projects. They exclusively work with us as ServiceNow freelancers. We provide ServiceNow job support to individual as well as corporate client. For individual, we provide ServiceNow freelancer who will do ServiceNow job support or ServiceNow project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide a ServiceNow freelancer who provide project support for their IT project. Our ServiceNow freelancers can provide end-to-end ServiceNow project support as well as ServiceNow implementation support. ServiceNow freelancers are available in your time zone. It can be from USA, UK, India, Europe, etc. as per your requirement. Process we follow. The process we follow for our online ServiceNow job support services. We receive your inquiry for ServiceNow online job support. We will arrange a conference call with our consultant to understand your complete requirement and the tool you are using. If our consultant is 100% confident in taking up your requirement and when you are also comfortable with our consultant, then only we will agree to provide service and you have to make the payment to get the service from us. We will fix the timing for the ServiceNow job support or ServiceNow helpers mutually agreed by you and our consultant. We have a wide range of ServiceNow consultants available who can provide end-to-end complete ServiceNow implementation support in your project in your specified time duration. The best part with us is that you just need to share your requirement with us and rest all will be done by Max and your project starts. Flexible packages. Our website is considered as the best ServiceNow job support company and the best website to hire ServiceNow freelancer. We have designed some very flexible plan which will help the employee to find and hire ServiceNow freelancer as per their need. Even ServiceNow implementation support in highly complex projects is also possible. Paper ticket. If you have any technical issue in your job and you want to take ServiceNow job support to solve those issues, then you can raise a ticket by contacting us by either email or phone. So, this plan is for those who want our service on ticket basis. If paper hour, if you have some technical issue in your job and you want ServiceNow help from our expert for continuous guidance in solving the issue, then you can optimize for this hourly plan. Take online ServiceNow job support for required hours plan and pay only for those hours consumed. Pay per month. If you have some major technical issue in your job and you need ServiceNow help, then our expert provide continuous guidance in solving all the issues and you can optimize for this monthly plan. Take online ServiceNow job support for the whole 1 month and get smooth ServiceNow freelancer support for the complete month. Discuss issue wherever it arises. We will provide step-by-step ServiceNow installation guide and will help you to complete your project well in time. Emergency support plan. If you are looking for some immediate solution in solving any issue, then this plan is best for you. Get ServiceNow job support immediately. Our expert will be available on an immediate basis to solve your query. Features and benefits. Customize ServiceNow freelancer services from individual as well as corporate. It will be smoother flow of projects with us and you will be able to 24/7 tracking of ServiceNow project. It will be ultimate cost effective solution. As we have 15 years of experience, we are quite capable of handling with data and security challenges. ServiceNow project consulting range. Max Munis provide customized ServiceNow job support services remote via online for individual candidates and corporate clients. Max Munis is considered as best freelancer ServiceNow consulting company and the best ServiceNow implementation support partner for its client. Max Munis has expertise in all products of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. In all the above mentioned companies' products, you can confidently outsource ServiceNow project to us. We can support you from 1 hour work to 1 year contractual work. Functional and technical application consultant for resolving issue, application support resources for coordinating issue across other teams. Technical consulting including application database administrator and project manager to provide overall management of your project. Our freelance service crew has deep expertise in product and solution and has the ability to implement complex solution and provide post-implementation project support also across anywhere in the world. Some of the area are mentioned below. Project management, project quality assurance development, process optimization and system optimization, workforce system optimization, implementation and post-implementation support. Dreams. As you know, we have a wide range of ServiceNow subject matter experts. They exclusively work with us as ServiceNow Freelancer. We provide ServiceNow project support to individual as well as corporate client. For individual, we provide ServiceNow Freelancer who will do ServiceNow job support or ServiceNow project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate client, we provide a ServiceNow freelancer who provide project support for their IT project. Our ServiceNow freelancer can handle end-to-end ServiceNow implementation as well as ServiceNow project support. Hire ServiceNow freelancer and get ServiceNow freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire ServiceNow freelancer for implementation and outsourcing projects and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality and meeting the customer's current and future challenges. Outsource ServiceNow work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution, offering system, implementation solution, resources and training. Best website to find and hire ServiceNow Freelancer. ServiceNow Training is a comprehensive program designed to equip individuals with the skill and knowledge required to effectively utilize the ServiceNow platform. ServiceNow is a cloud-based IT service management tool that helps organizations automate and manage their IT services and processes. During ServiceNow training, participants will learn how to navigate the platform, create and manage workflow customized application and utilize various features and streamline IT service delivery. The training program cover a range of topics including incident management, change management, asset management and reporting. Next we have Max Munoz ServiceNow support. Max Munoz is ServiceNow project consulting company. ServiceNow project support for corporate and job support for individual via ServiceNow Freelancer or ServiceNow implementation. ServiceNow Freelancer hire ServiceNow Freelancer and get online ServiceNow job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Outsource ServiceNow project and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution, offering system, implementation solution, resources, and training. Talking about ServiceNow Project Consulting, Max Minus is a 15 years old trustworthy ServiceNow project consulting company. We have received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. Get customized service now job support to individual their project. ServiceNow support for corporate. We have customized ServiceNow project support as per company ServiceNow project requirement. Company will be having flexibility to choose location, mode, on-site and online. We will arrange professional as per their requirement. Companies will have flexibility to select ServiceNow freelancer from a pool of professional subject matter expert. Our industry-specific subject matter expert will provide excellent help in ServiceNow implementation and consulting. We will help companies and their employee to start working on the projects from day one. ServiceNow support benefits for individual person. Customized support as individual ServiceNow project required get complete ServiceNow job support. We will help employee to start working on the project from day one on ServiceNow project. Flexibility to choose a schedule and work and learn on the ServiceNow project as per individual requirement. We will arrange industry-specific subject matter expert to provide ServiceNow job support for your ServiceNow project. We will provide step-by-step progress assessment of your ServiceNow project. ServiceNow market opportunity. Let's talk about current ServiceNow market opportunity. I have written top best job sites from USA, UK, Europe and India. You can apply and get ServiceNow jobs across the globe. And wherever you stuck in the project, we are there with you. Hire ServiceNow freelancer and get customized ServiceNow support in online or remotely. These are the top clients for whom we have already provided ServiceNow job support in India as well as outside India. ServiceNow support. Max Munoz has successfully conducted 10,000 plus freelancer ServiceNow support for implementation and outsourcing project for individual and corporate client. Get ServiceNow support across the globe. Hire ServiceNow freelancer from Hyderabad, Bangalore, India, Finland, etc. Why Max Munoz? One of the biggest challenge why big IT projects are not shared on freelancing site is the most out of the Nike the relevant set of IT skill professional is not available to work as freelancer. Max Munoz is considered the best freelancer service now consulting company. Max Munoz has the expertise in all product of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. ServiceNow as well, step-by-step ServiceNow guide and solution on all tickets of above mentioned companies and their product. Hire ServiceNow Freelancer online or subject matter expert after seeing the review will not be great idea when it comes to IT project because all projects are time bound. Hence, we provide complete customized solution to you. We will arrange a video conference call with the subject matter expert. The client can discuss everything with him. Once the client gets satisfied regarding the expertise of the subject matter expert or expert ServiceNow freelancer, then only he needs to pay. If anything goes wrong, an immediate replacement will be provided by Maximus at no cost. The money will be released to ServiceNow freelancer or subject matter expert at various level of project completion after approval from the client. Conclusion: ServiceNow support. On concluding, I may say that we will help you with below mentioned details. Hire ServiceNow Freelancer and get online ServiceNow job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Customize ServiceNow support as per company's ServiceNow project's requirement. Industry-specific senior subject matter expert will be arranged who know your ServiceNow project well in advance and have done very good implementation projects on the same. Outsource ServiceNow project and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution. Offering system, implementation solution, resources training. Customized ServiceNow support for individual for ServiceNow job support in their ServiceNow project. For any more further information or if you want to enroll with us for ServiceNow job support session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID. It's contact@maxminus.com. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box here and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in ServiceNow, do join us now. I hope you will I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the entire ServiceNow job support session with Max Muniz. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.